Welcome to House Decor, your cozy corner of farmhouse charm and timeless country style. Here we celebrate the beauty of simple living, where old meets new, and every space tells a story. From dye decor ideas to full farmhouse makeovers, get inspired to create a home that's warm, welcoming, and truly yours. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's make your dream farmhouse a reality. Here are some tips to help you achieve a charming and authentic country style farmhouse home decor look. Mix old and new, blend modern convenience with vintage pieces. For example, pair a modern sofa with weathered wooden coffee table. Use antique mirrors or clocks in a clean, white room. Use textiles to add warmth. Layer different fabrics and textures. Linen, cotton, burlap, or taking strap fabrics for pillows, curtains, or table runners. Chunky knit draws and soft plaid blankets for that cozy lived-in look. Ruffled or lace-trimmed curtains can add a touch of softness. Create a focal point. Design a spot in the room as the center of attention. A farmhouse fireplace with a reclaimed wood mantel. A large farmhouse dining table with a vintage candelier overhead. An ancient wall with cheap lamp or reclaimed wood planks. Add greenery. Incorporate natural life. Use potted herbs, dried flowers, or eucalyptus garlands. Galvanized buckets, ceramic pots, or mason jars work great as plastic planters. Open concept living. If you can, go for an open, airy layout. Create flow between the kitchen, dining, and living areas. Use consistent color schemes and wood tones to tie everything together. Vintage kitchen vibes. For a farmhouse kitchen feel, display copper pots, mason jars, or white ceramic dishes. Use open shelving or a pot rack to show off your wares. Install a farmhouse sink apron front if possible. Farmhouse lighting. Lighting is key to the farmhouse vibe. Go for pendant lights, iron candeliers, or lantern-style fixtures. Look for distressed finishes, black, bronze, or aged metal. Origin and inspiration. Farmhouse decor originated from rural homes where functionality and simplicity are key. Over time, this style evolved into a charming mix of comfort, rustic aesthetics, and vintage appeal. It's about creating a space that feels welcoming, lived in, and grounded in natural beauty. Main elements in detail, architecture and layout, exposed wooden beams, vaulted ceilings, and white plank floors are often used. A front porch, mudroom, or pantry is a staple of traditional farmhouse homes. Farmhouse kitchen features pucker block or natural stone countertops. Farmhouse or apron sinks, deep and wide for practicality and style. Open shelves with neatly stacked dishes or labeled jars. Vintage signs like bakery or farm fresh eggs for charm. Furniture and style. Go for distressed or painted wood finishes, white, grey, or pastel tones. Slip-covered sofas and wooden rocking chairs blend comfort with tradition. Choose pieces that look aged or passed down, even if they are new. Wall decor, sheep-lap or paintboard gives walls that farmhouse texture. Prints, wooden arrows, or barn doors are common rustic accents. Variations of farmhouse style you can mix and match to fit your taste. Here are popular farmhouse hybrids: modern farmhouse, sleek lines, black accents, and minimalist decor. A more polished and updated take on traditional farmhouse. Rustic farmhouse emphasis on raw, rugged elements like weathered wood, metal, and stone. Often feels more natural and earthy. French country farmhouse, softer, more romantic decor with ornate furniture, light florals, and soft hues like lavender or cream. Industrial farmhouse, a mix of farmhouse warmth with industrial materials, exposed pipes, metal stools, and Edison bulb lighting. Otis farmhouse, cozy, quaint, and full of charm. Floral fabrics, ruffles, soft pastels, and vintage collectibles. Where to shop or find inspiration? Antique stores, flea markets, and thrift shops for all of the kind treasures. objects, repurpose old doors into headboards or wooden plates into shelves. Stores like Magnolia, Hobby Lobby, Wayfair, or Eastday often have farmhouse-style decor. The philosophy behind farmhouse style. At its core, farmhouse decor reflects simplicity. Life in the country is slower and more grounded. That's reflected in the uncluttered, functional spaces. Practical beauty. Everything has a purpose. Decor isn't just pretty, it's useful, like baskets, hooks, jars. Handmade and handcrafted, it values craftsmanship, imperfection, and pictures with stories, whether handmade or heirloom. Thanks for watching the video.